Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. Today, guys, we are continuing with that Fiat 500. Managed to go out yesterday after the stopped filming and pick up the bonnet. Bought it back last night, put a spray paint over it. I keyed it all up first. It's right here, as you can see. Keyed it all up first on the inside. Then gave it a coat last night before I left. Come back, it was dry. Then just gave it another coat. You can see sort of it's all shiny where I've just hit it again. So we're going to swap this one out. That was £90. So, yeah, I think that was a great buy. It was only around the corner, literally 5 minutes around the corner. So I wasn't going out too far. I wasn't travelling for it. It was just a quick pickup and then come back and painted it. So yeah, we can get that on the car today and get that old front end on, bumper on, get it ready for the paint shop, and do whatever we can today. And then that way it's done. Paint shop, put back together. So yeah, let's hopefully, guys, I'm trying to win two. I'm looking at 2 cars today. Hopefully I can bid on those cars as well. And I'll let you know by the end of the day if I'm able to win those. Also, the blue Ford KA, that has now sold. And I'll be dropping that off to her today on the trailer because she wants me to drop it to her. So I'll do that, no problem. And I've got a little bit of interest in the red Hyundai i20 because I've been driving it around. No codes have come up on that dash. No codes. So really, really strange. It's one of them cars. It's going to be one of them cars where it sometimes happens, sometimes don't. Sometimes happens, sometimes I don't know. It's just weird. But I'll tell you for something, I will not be bidding and buying another Hyundai with that high mileage again. So yeah, lesson learned with that one. So let's get into it, guys. It's Friday, end of the week. Let's do this. So yeah, 90 quid. Not too bad. Just needs a paint on the other side. So once that's our 2 coats. So once that's all dried off, we'll get that fitted and swapped over for that white one. I will keep that white one because a lot of people in the comments were saying, just keep it. You know, you just don't throw it. Just keep it just in case. So I will keep it. So I've painted the leading edge of the bumper as well, so that can go on. I was getting some comments yesterday and last night's video from a particular person and asking why I changed these hinges. With a question mark. Why did you change the hinges? Question mark, question mark. Well, the reason why we changed these hinges, if you don't know, is that when they get hitting smacked in the front, they bend the hinges. And I've had it so many times now where it's just like, what those hinges cost me. So I bought the set of hinges and the box, air box complete, 40 quid. So for that amount of money, it just is not worth messing around trying to think that they're going to work and they'll be straight, because they won't be. So yeah, hopefully that's answered your comment from last night. Everyone else, I think a lot of people would have known why I changed those hinges. This particular person did not realise or didn't get it, don't understand, don't know why. But anyway, let's crack on and, get this as far pushed along as we can to get to the paint shop. Still waiting for the cluster from the inside, but hopefully today or tomorrow I can sort of pick it up and it'll be done. Don't really want to sort of, well, I could put it on the trailer, I've got to be honest, take it to the paint shop, but let's see what happens. Right, let's crack on. Very busy day again, very busy day. I've got other stuff going on. Like I said, I've got cars, I'm bidding on cars, and I've got to go and drop off the blue KA because that's sold. So let's just let's just crack on, guys. Let's do this. Right, okay guys, just want to quickly cut in there, just to let you know. So the bonnet is now in place. It's not in the correct position. The lights are not in the correct position. Nothing is. It's going to the paint shop. When it comes back, everything be lined up and then sorted. Some people do it before, some people do it after. Just personal preference, really. So I just thought, you know what, let's just get it over to the paint shop. But he can't take it until Monday. But that's all right. It's only Friday today, so it's only till Monday, guys. Just want to quickly show you. Oh, I just... So, I had a comment. Didn't even realise, didn't even see it, notice it. So, thanks very much, whoever that was. I can't remember who it was who mentioned it to me in the comment section below. But I'd put the bottom crash bar the wrong way round. So, thank you for that, for noticing that. Obviously, this is where the towing eye hook has got to go into, where on the bumper, it's on this side, and I had it on that side, so I just needed to spin around. But yeah, it's just one of them things, really. So that's that done. I have taped up some of the inside of the actual bumper as well, just because, you know, it helps, doesn't it, you know? Just in case he gets any paint or anything, obviously inside, I'll let him do the rest. But you can see that I'm definitely trying to help and yeah, get it done. So that is where we are. Let's carry on, get the bumper on, and then basically just get it rolling, really. I've had a call from the guy with the clusters, Essex Recon cluster place. He has now finished it. It is ready to be collected. Hopefully I'm going to collect that this afternoon so that Monday morning we can put it in and it can go to the paint shop. But let's carry on for now, get the bumper on. Any other bits and pieces that we need to do, yeah, let's do this. Right, okay, so, yeah, the front end is now ready for the paint shop. That can be taken over there Monday morning and he can then just crack on with it, have it for a couple of days and get all that painted as well. He's going to paint this, I spoke to him, he's going to paint that sill part there, and then take it back there, and he's going to paint the other rear quarter as well, which is here. So yeah, you can see that he's pinning there, it's like scratchy there. So he's going to paint this rear quarter in here to make it, yeah. And I think he's going to blend it as well. He's going to blend, I'm going to try and pop this out a little bit if I can in a minute. And then he's going to he's going to take this bonnet and this bumper all into this wing and blend it in. So yeah, that's that. I've just went and picked up the cluster for this one as well, which is here, all bagged up and all ready to go back in the car. So let's get this back in and then I'll show you, see what it's like. So let's do this. Right, okay, guys, that didn't take long. This car needs a good clean, doesn't it? But I'm not going to clean nothing, really, on the inside until I get it back from the paint shop. You know what they're like. It is what it is. They get in a mess, getting in and out the cars at the paint shop. So we'll do that cleaning on the inside another day. But let me show you. So now, so you can see that nothing else is flashing, just the indicator. And that's what we want. So yeah, result. That is that fixed. A little bit more than I thought that was going to be, I've got to be honest. I've only ever done this twice now. This is the second time it's happened to me on a Fiat 500. And I couldn't remember the last time how much it was. But, you know, it was a good year ago. So prices have gone up. And to get that repaired, that dial cluster, it was £165. But it needed to be done. Like, there's no way. What's the point trying to sort of get another cluster, redo the mileage? It just drags on and on and on. So, yeah, 165 quid and we're done on that. I have got to give it a clean on the outside because it is absolute filth. I do not want to give it to the paint shop like this because I want to make sure that that's all clean and nice and tidy there. And obviously he's got to paint his rear quarter as well. So I want to clean the whole car, but you don't really want to see me cleaning the car. I will have a quick go at this though. Let's have a little play with this little dent before it goes to the paint shop. Let's see if we can get that out. Don't know. Let's see, guys. Let's have a little play with this. Let's do this. Right, well, didn't really do much, I've got to be honest. I maybe moved it a little bit, but it's still there, two there. So, do you know what? I'm just going to let the Body Shop do it. A little bit of filler on that, and they can sort of just spray it in. Yeah, I'm just going to let them sort that out, guys, because I could be here for hours trying to mess around with that. But, yeah, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. Right, this is a really, really short video today. I've been flying around everywhere, doing bits and pieces, picking up things, winning another project as well. You will see that next week at some point, that new project. But if you follow me on Instagram, you will see a sneak peek of what it is on my Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on there, guys, and you can see the new project for next week. Middle of next week, probably, something like that. We need to jump on the Mercedes GLA next week as well, probably Monday. Whilst it's at the paint shop, we can jump on the Mercedes. So, yeah, that is going to be the end of today's video and the end of the week because it's Friday. Guys, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in Monday's video. Take care. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon.